Are your cymbals not looking their best? Is the years of dust and dirt build-up starting to affect the sound? Or do you simply just want them to shine, like when you first took them out of the box? Well, if so, stick around because I'll be running you through how to give your cymbals the clean they deserve. What's up guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to Musicians Mindset, channel where we aim to help you achieve your goals and become the best musician you can be. My name is Liam and today I'm going to be running you through how to give your cymbals a proper clean. So one of the things which is most commonly overlooked on a drum kit is cleaning the cymbals. Most drummers will just give their kit a quick dust off, whilst few put aside the time to thoroughly clean their cymbals. Over time, dust, dirt and oils from your skin can start to affect your cymbal's condition. So this can vary from changing the condition or the colour to even affecting the sound in extreme circumstances. What I'll be showing you in this video is how to clean your cymbals and get them back to the best condition possible. Cymbals produce sound through their metal composition and the way they vibrate. When a layer of dirt and oil builds up, it slightly mutes these vibrations, which can cause the sound to lose that crispness and brightness. Before we start, get yourself an old towel and place it on your work surface. I'll show you why later. Regular maintenance helps prevent corrosion and wear on the cymbal's metal surface. Sweat and moisture, if left unchecked, can lead to pitting and tarnishing, especially in humid environments. For cymbals with visible tarnish, or if you want to restore the original shine, specialty cymbal cleaners are ideal. These products are specifically formulated to lift deeper grime and oxidization. However, be cautious. Some of these cleaners are abrasive and can remove logos or protective coatings, so use them sparingly. We'll start by putting a small amount of cleaner onto an old towel or cloth, not directly onto the cymbal. Start with a little, you can always add more if needed. In a circular motion, gently work the cleaner into the cymbal surface, following the grooves. Important note, always check the manufacturer's recommendations for your specific cymbal model, as certain cleaners can damage the finish on higher end or coated cymbals. Brands like Zildjian and Sabian, for example, sometimes recommend specific products or techniques for their cymbals. Some products need a minute or two to sit and lift the grime, so check the instructions on your cymbal cleaner to see if this step applies. Using a clean towel or cloth, gently wipe off the cleaner, following the groove. If you're seeing tarnishing lifting, that means it's working. You may need to repeat this step for heavily tarnished areas. Finish with a dry cloth, buffing the cymbal to restore its natural shine. Take your time with this step for the best results. Here I've just done half the cymbal to give you a side-by-side comparison. When you come round to doing yours, you can just do the whole thing in one go. When you come to the logo, go extra careful as you don't want to damage it. Some cleaners can remove or fade them, as well as scrubbing too hard. Now, this is why you want to put a towel down before using cymbal cleaner. Some cleaners can stain surfaces, and it's inevitable some will find its way off the cymbal whilst cleaning, or you'll accidentally brush the work surface. Now repeat the previous step for the other side. Due to the shape, cleaning the underside can be a bit awkward when trying to keep it where it is. Use a towel on the work surface to give you somewhere to hold the cymbal down. If your cymbal also has a logo on the bottom, clean it with the same amount of caution. And there we have it, the first cleaning method done. Stick around to the end as well for some tips on keeping your cymbals in prime condition between cleans. For regular maintenance, this method works like a charm. In a bowl, mix up a few drops of dish soap with warm water. A small amount of soap is all you need. You want a gentle solution. Dip your cloth into the soapy water, wringing out any excess so it's just damp. Too much water can seep into the centre hole, which we want to avoid. I prefer to start with a softer cloth as opposed to a rougher towel, but you may want to use a towel. Gently wipe along the grooves of the cymbal in a circular motion. This will help lift any oils or grime without damaging the surface. Take another clean cloth or a clean part of your original cloth, dampen it with clean water and go over the cymbal to remove any soapy residue. Leftover soap can dull the cymbal, so make sure to do this step thoroughly. Dry the cymbal right away with a soft, dry cloth or towel. You don't want any water spots forming, as these can lead to tarnishing. Buff the cymbal a bit to bring out the shine. Same as before, time to clean the other side. As you can see, for more stubborn dirt and grime, this method isn't as effective. However, if you regularly clean your cymbals, this method is perfect for keeping on top of things before it gets too bad. Another good thing is that you don't have to spend a fortune on cymbal cleaner if you keep your cymbals clean. Finally, use your preferred method on the rest of your cymbals like I'm doing here. Until I got distracted. Here are some quick tips to keep your cymbals clean and in prime condition between cleanings. Handle with care, so always hold your cymbals by the edges or the hole to avoid transferring oils from your hands, which can speed up tarnishing. Regular wipe downs, so after playing, wipe your cymbals with a dry, soft cloth to remove sweat and dust. This quick step can make a big difference over time. Store in a cymbal bag. Protect your cymbals during transport by using a cymbal bag. Look for padded or hard shell bags to prevent scratches or dents. Just to clarify, no instruments were harmed in the making of this video. Rockabilly is by far my favourite genre to play live, and tricks like this always get the crowd going. Back to a couple more tips. Avoid excess polishing. If you're a fan of natural patina that forms on cymbals, avoid harsh polishing techniques. Overcleaning can actually reduce the warmth in your cymbal's tone. And check the manufacturer recommendations. For specialty or vintage cymbals, look up the manufacturer's cleaning guidelines to avoid damaging unique finishes or coatings. So if you're taking something of value out of this video, then let us know in the comment section below and give the video a like. We got a new video out every single week, so if you don't want to miss an upload, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload. Thank you all very much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Take care and I'll see you soon.